post. They're off. Admit it. Katie, it's fine. Broke well from that outside stall. Katie, it's fine. Admit it. And now the grain of the inside. High T comes on and takes over the lead. And it's High T to lead them out of the chute. Consecutive comes on in second position. And Katie, it's fine, is third. Sinster, Spinster between horses fourth. Memories, Vast Love down to the inside. Fifth, Admitted is sixth. 3.5 lengths off the lead. Then a break of two. Give a Prize toward the rail. Baganera in the center and Renella Bay to the far outside. 23 and 4 for that opening quarter. They head toward the far turn. High T leads it by a length to Katie, it's fine. Gearing up now is Admitted, who advances to third. Moves within 2 lengths of the lead. Has to keep up as consecutive to the inside in fourth position. Then Sinster, Spinster, Baganera begins to gain ground at the midpoint of the turn. 46 and 4 for that opening half mile. High T will be put to the test now by Katie, it's fine, and Admitted as they turn for home. Those three across the racetrack as they run to that final furlong. Admitted is set down on the far outside. Katie, it's fine, is in the center. High T had no response. Last 16th of a mile. Admitted and Pizarro to win the third. Katie, it's fine was second. High T third, and back.